Did you hear about the new update of Adobe Premiere Pro? You can just one click to remove your background easily without using After Effects. I will show you step by step. Let's start. First, you must install Adobe Premiere Pro Beta, and you can install in Adobe Creative here. After, click Get Start, and the app is open. New project, create, import your media, drag your media here. You must use this tool, and the name is Object Mask Tool. Just in Adobe Premiere Pro Beta. It isn't yet the main Adobe Premiere Pro. Select your clip, click the tool, and you see the tool Auto Mask here. Yes, you see the mask is complete. After that, you go to Effect Control, click the track selected mask forward and backward. It takes time to mask complete. It depends on your hardware of your laptop or computer. After the process is complete, you must drag your mask in opacity, and you see it is complete. Remove your background and mask your object. After that the process is complete, you must object your mask upper, and you can put the text behind the tower. Click text and write something. Guys, write cut. Put your text between your layer, and you see is beyond of your object. You can rectangle mask tool to create this. Put in opacity, and you can see you create a rectangle mask. You see, like, and your text is beyond. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel.